Today I'm changing the engine air filter on a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. The air filter cover is over here on the left, the passenger side of the engine bay. In this vehicle, it's held in by two clips, one here and one over here. Some vehicles might have screws, Phillips head screws, holding the cover on, or you might have more than two clips depending on the vehicle you have. All you want to do is unclip, and there are a couple of tabs in the back here, actually three. You're just gonna push down a little bit by the tabs, and then that'll gain you access to the air filter underneath. You just want to take out the old air filter. Sorry about the camera. And you might want to take a vacuum and just vacuum out the holder for the air filter. You get a lot of leaves and debris in there, so I'll do that now. Okay, the compartment's all vacuumed out. All loose debris and leaves are vacuumed out. You just basically place your air filter right in. I'm using the Fram CA9969. I got it at Walmart for $12 and change. And then all you want to do is seat those tabs back in. What you want to do is the farthest tab, the single tab that's closest to your headlights, you want to push that in and push down on the cover to get that in, and then the two tabs by the windshield will sit right in. And then all you have to do is just hold it down. What you want to do is push down with your left hand on the cover, and then just pull the tab, the clip, up and over until it clicks. And then we'll do the same thing with the last clip. Then with this last clip closest to the windshield, you just want to push down on the cover, and at the same time pull up on the clip until it clicks. After you put the filter in and you seal it all up and clip it down, take a look at your hose. A lot of times with this vehicle, it's kind of like an accordion. You just have to play around with it and pinch it a little bit to get it to go back to form. And that's basically it. Just takes a few minutes to do. You should do this part of your regular vehicle maintenance every 10 to 15,000 miles or so. A little bit more often if you're doing a lot of driving. And that's all. So good luck. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.